What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's video I'm gonna quickly show you how to install VPN and use it for free here on your iPhone device. So you can navigate into websites which are actually restricted in your specific region. You can access them, and also, for example, if you're watching Netflix, we've got movies that are only available in specific regions, right? So having a VPN will unlock and give you access to movies also which are not available in your specific region. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech-related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and fixes. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to install VPN and how to proceed with the configuration, which is pretty simple here on your iPhone. So first things first, you need to hop into the App Store. We've got paid versions of VPN, but we've got good free versions as well. And I'm going to recommend you two apps that I use the most, which are pretty good free versions here on your iPhone device. So first things first, I'm already here on the App Store. We're going to search for VPN, right? So you want to download the VPN app. We've got various apps in here that will offer you free VPN service, but the one that I would recommend you guys to use, the very first one is this one, which is known as VPN Proxy Master. I've been using this one for the past 3 years and it's really solid. It has good servers with a good speed as well. So simply download this one. It's one that I really recommend. I'm installing it right now just to show it to you guys how the process looks like. Let's just wait for a couple seconds. Download has started. It occupies over 157 megabytes of size. Here we go. Download is complete. Simply tap on open and then tap on agree and continue, and you're good to go. The next thing we need to do is simply tap here on close, as we do not wish to pay for the version. And the most important part in here is to proceed with the configuration. Simply tap here on tap to connect, and it will ask you to add a VPN configuration. So you need to tap here on allow, and this will install the configuration here on your phone. You just need to type in your passcode. So once you're done typing in your passcode, it will be installed, and then the VPN will automatically launch. Here we go. Let me quickly close this advertisement in here. As you can see, I'm already connected, and if I bring down my control center, you can easily see that we've got in here this highlighted text here known as VPN, right? So this means that you're connected to the VPN and you can now navigate freely. Now, in the free version, they're gonna allocate you a random location with a good speed, right? In my case, I'm now connected, for example, to a UK server, which will allow me to access most of the restricted websites online. Now, if you want something more premium, you can pay for it in order to select the specific location that you wish to connect to. For example, Germany, US, Indonesia, Italy, South Africa, or various other countries as well. But you need to pay to have this version right here. Now, once you're done using or surfing online, you can tap here on connected and tap on disconnect to disconnect your phone from that specific VPN service. Now, another VPN that I would recommend you guys to download if you guys do not like this one, or if in a specific day this one is a bit slow, you can go with this one as well, which is known as Hotspot Shield. It's also a good VPN in here, which is VPN Hotspot Shield. You can simply tap here to download it, and you can have both of these apps. If one runs slow, you can switch to the other, and vice versa, right? So let me tap here on open. It has already been downloaded. Here we go. It's now launching. Next up, it's going to ask you if you want to provide ad tracking service just to have a better ad recommendation. You can tap on continue. That's okay. No issues at all. Ask app not to track. And then over here, we've got like this advertisement, which asks us to pay, right? So we will tap here on proceed with ads and limits because we do not wish to pay for this service, right? And then simply tap here on the power button to turn it on. It's going to ask you to add configurations. Tap on allow. It's going to ask you for your passcode. Let me quickly type it in. Here we go. It's now connected and I'm good to go. I can now surf on the internet while pretending or spoofing my IP address as if I am navigating from the US. So all recommendations, all advertisements are gonna come as if you are in the US, okay? For example, let's quickly hop into google.com. Okay, it's gonna bring me the US website directly, okay? As you guys can see, we've got in here recommendations of trending searches from the US region, as if I am navigating from US country, right? So this is how it works. I'm now connected to the internet from a US server, and the internet identifies my phone as if I am someone in the US. This is very useful to access restricted websites, as I've just said, and allows you to browse with privacy as well, because people won't be able to track yourself easily, okay? For example, if you've got something very important to do confidential, you can use a VPN service, of course, a paid service if you are using it for business purposes and you want 100% security or safety. You can go with a paid version because this will encrypt your data, and everything that you'll be doing online, your fingerprint process online, won't be left anywhere. So this is a much safer way to navigate throughout the internet. I hope this video really helped you. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment down below. And also, if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section so I can get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video. We're now about to cross 45,000 subscribers, and I'm very grateful for all your support here on the channel. If you want to see me growing here on the channel, do not forget to support me in the comment section and like the video so my content can be recommended to more people, and consequently I can help more people facing the same issues as yours. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.